Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to change the aspect ratio of an image on your Samsung Galaxy device. So changing an image aspect ratio usually means cropping important details out, but Nano AI solves this by intelligently expanding or reducing the canvas size using generative fill. So when you choose a new ratio like 16:9 for YouTube thumbnails, 1:1 for Instagram, or 9:16 for Reels or TikTok, the AI analyzes the existing scene and regenerates realistic extensions of the background. So it can recreate skies, landscapes, buildings, or interior textures so your image fits the new dimension without losing the subject or composition. So here I have a landscape image and I want to go ahead and turn this into a 9:16 for TikTok. So we'll go ahead and use Gemini's Nano Banana. Now in Gemini, we'll go ahead and attach that image. And now we'll go ahead and ask it to change the aspect ratio for a TikTok post. Change the aspect ratio for a TikTok post. Let's try it again one more time. Change the aspect ratio post. So I have asked change the aspect ratio to post on TikTok. Unfortunately, it hasn't done it. Let's go ahead and see if this can do this for a YouTube banner. Change the aspect ratio for a YouTube banner.
Sure, here is the image.
So as you can see, my first attempt was a fail. However, my second attempt was a success. So it's basically changed this landscape image into a YouTube banner, which is quite long and in landscape format. So this way you can maintain the original framing without sacrificing the edges. It's perfect when preparing images for different social media platforms. This looks natural, there's no stretching or warping. It saves time and it improves posting consistency. So there you go guys, that is how to change the aspect ratio of an image using Nano Banana on your Samsung Galaxy device.